Hey guys, I wanted to show you some of the benefits and features of our rear hoop that goes along with our headache racks here. So here we have a 3/4 height rear hoop. That's about 17, 18 inches, so about 3/4 of the height of the front rack. In this case, it's 17 inches on the Dodge. So what that does for you is it allows you to load your load a little easier. The back of this is shorter than the rack up front. This truck is lifted with six inches of lift, 37-inch tires. You can see the bed's about chin or nose height here to me, and so loading that is much easier with that down a little ways. The other thing that helps you with is it allows, if you don't have a rigid load, it allows you to miss your cab if your load droops a little bit, so that way you're not slapping the top of your cab with this system. Now here we also put this option on here. It's the eye hooks. We put it to the inside on this particular rack. Oftentimes it comes on the outside, so if you want it to the inside, you need to request that. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys what it's like to load a piece of wood with this 3/4 height hoop here. So you just put her up here and slide it up onto the rack, and it slides right up. If that was 6 inches taller, like the same height as the rack up front, that would be much tougher to reach, especially with this lifted truck. Now these rear hoops are pretty easy to get in and out. They're literally down in your stake pocket, and you can just undo a wing bolt inside here and just pull it out of the truck and set it aside, and that way you don't have to have it on there unless you need it. Okay, so I wanted to show you here how this comes in and out. So in here on each side is one wing bolt on the Dodge that you just pull right out here. No wrenches needed. You just back it out. Once you get that out, you can see here we got a washer, a couple washers on there to hold that in place. You're able to just pull this right up out of the stake pocket. Real quick and easy. So if you're looking to utilize your truck a little more, this rear hoop option is a great option for hauling canoes, hauling wood, hauling anything you need when you need to do it. And you can pull that rear hoop out really, really quick. So go to our website and check it out at spyderindustries.com.